Before buying a smart thermostat, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many look the same and feature the same claims, but the real difference lies in how well they adapt to your home and lifestyle. Product number 1, ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential. The ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential caught my eye with its Energy Star certification and impressive features for a price point that's attractive considering what it offers. If you want to save on your energy bills while maintaining comfort, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It can save you up to 23% on heating and cooling costs by automatically adjusting temperatures based on your schedule. Imagine coming home to a perfectly cooled house after a hot day. It works with 85% of HVAC systems, so chances are it'll fit right in. Plus, you can easily adjust temperatures using its color touchscreen or the ecobee app while you're on the go. Now, some users mentioned that they found the installation process a bit tricky without a C-wire, which can be frustrating. Here's the thing though, most people who aren't DIY experts can still manage with the provided power extender kit if needed. It's a minor hurdle for a product that delivers genuine savings and comfort. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable thermostat that saves energy without too much fuss. Skip this one if you prefer a more advanced model with additional features. For the price, it offers excellent value. Now, if the installation concerns with the ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential bothered you, this next one from Sensi takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Emerson Sensi Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat. The Emerson Sensi Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat stands out for its user-friendly design and privacy protection, priced at around $89.94. If you want a smart thermostat that's easy to install and respects your privacy, it's worth a serious look. What's great about this model is that it can save you about 23% on HVAC energy costs through flexible scheduling and energy usage reports. It's designed to work with most homes, including systems that don't require a C-wire. This means you get all the benefits without the installation headache. Plus, it monitors your HVAC system's performance and alerts you about maintenance needs, like when to change the air filter, making it a practical choice for busy homeowners. Now, some users have mentioned that while it's easy to install, the app can occasionally be glitchy. I'll be real with you, some folks might find that frustrating. However, if you're someone who values straightforward operation and can overlook minor tech hiccups, this thermostat will serve you well. This is perfect for you if you want a smart thermostat that's privacy-focused and easy to use. Skip this one if you're looking for extensive smart home integration features. For what it offers, it's a great value at this price. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for advanced features. Product number 3, ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced, priced at $199.99. What caught my attention here is its ability to save up to 26% on heating and cooling costs. If you want a smart thermostat that learns your habits and preferences, this is worth a serious look. The enhanced model uses occupancy sensors to preheat or pre-cool your home before you even arrive, so you're never stuck in an uncomfortable temperature. It connects easily to your smart home ecosystem, allowing you to control it from anywhere using the app. It's compatible with 90% of HVAC systems, making it a solid option for most households. However, some users have noted that it can be a bit pricier than other options. Here's the thing. While it may seem steep, the energy savings and convenience it provides can offset that cost over time, especially for larger homes. This is perfect for you if you value smart technology that adapts to your lifestyle and preferences. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or just need basic functionality. The investment pays off in comfort and efficiency. Now, if you're looking for even more features, the next product might just blow your mind. Product number 4, ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. The ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. It boasts advanced features and even includes a smart sensor and air quality monitor. While the price isn't listed, it's often at the higher end of the spectrum. If you want the best in comfort and air quality, this is worth a serious look. This premium model saves you up to 26% on heating and cooling costs, just like the enhanced version. But it also has a built-in air quality monitor that alerts you to changes in your home's atmosphere. It connects seamlessly with other ecobee products, giving you a comprehensive home monitoring system. It's designed to work with 95% of HVAC systems, ensuring broad compatibility. Some users have found it a bit complicated to set up due to its multitude of features. I get that. Not everyone wants a steep learning curve, but if you're tech savvy and want a thermostat that does it all, this model might just be your dream come true. This is perfect for you if you want comprehensive control over your home's comfort and air quality. Skip this one if you're looking for something straightforward and budget-friendly. It's a premium choice that offers premium benefits. Lastly, if you're looking for a budget-friendly smart option, the final product rounds out our list. Product number 5, Google Nest Thermostat. We have the Google Nest Thermostat, which is priced at around $99.99. What I love about this thermostat is its simplicity and integration with Google Assistant. If you want an affordable, straightforward option that fits seamlessly into your smart home, this is worth a serious look. The Nest thermostat automatically adjusts temperatures when you leave, saving you energy without sacrificing comfort. Its programmable features allow you to set a schedule right from the app, and it even sends alerts for system maintenance, keeping your home running smoothly. The absence of a C-wire requirement makes it versatile for many households. However, some users reported that it lacks some of the advanced features found in more expensive models. This can be a downside for those looking for extensive customization options. But for someone who values ease of use and good energy savings, this thermostat is a fantastic choice. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss thermostat that integrates with Google products. Skip this one if you need highly specific heating and cooling customization. For its price, it delivers great value for the average homeowner. So there you have it. The Ecobee's Smart Thermostat Essential is great for energy savings. The Emerson Sensi is user-friendly and privacy-focused. The Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced brings advanced features. The premium model offers top-notch comfort and air quality monitoring. And finally, the Google Nest Thermostat is perfect for an easy smart home setup. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best.